Everyone's afraid AI is coming for their job. Writers, coders, designers, thinkers. But here's the question no one is asking. What if AI is replacing performance, but not depth? And what if the people hardest to replace are the ones society barely notices? AI is trained on what's visible. High-volume communication, rapid opinions, constant output. In other words, extroverted behavior. AI is excellent at replicating fluency. It can summarize faster than you, write faster than you, respond faster than you. But speed isn't wisdom, and volume isn't insight. Introverts don't dominate the feed. They dominate the framework. Here's something most people overlook. Many of the architects behind computing and AI exhibit classic introverted traits: high tolerance for solitude, obsession with systems, deep focus, minimal need for external validation. Research in personality psychology shows technical innovators often score higher in introversion and openness. Introverts didn't just adopt the internet. They built it. They didn't just use AI. They designed it. The irony? The quietest minds created the loudest tools. AI predicts patterns. Introverts question patterns. AI generates responses. Introverts generate frameworks. AI processes what already exists. Introverts tolerate uncertainty long enough to create what doesn't. Deep work research shows uninterrupted cognitive focus produces higher-order reasoning that shallow multitasking can't replicate. Introverts live in deep work. They're not reacting to noise. They're mapping outcomes. And mapping outcomes is much harder to automate. The world rewards visibility. But visibility creates predictability. Predictability creates replaceability. Strategic introverts operate differently. They don't overshare their thinking. They don't broadcast every move. They conserve cognitive energy. That invisibility isn't a weakness. It's insulation. AI can replicate extroverted expression, but it struggles to model inward incubation. And that's where introverts thrive. So if you're an introvert watching AI reshape the world, don't panic. Adapt. Leverage your depth. Strengthen your systems thinking. Double down on what machines can't fake. Because in a world of artificial intelligence, the rarest resource is still the quiet mind. For more introverted insights, check out The Strategic Introvert.